kid, and he spread out his hands. Brace yourselves and come.
Hi, I'm Nakia Campbell, and this is my bus, Sally Lou. Come on in. All right. So Sally Lou is a 1996 Chevy G30. It was originally a 21 passenger bus, and it is self-converted. This is my kitchen. I have everything that I need, everything from home. I love seasoned food, so those are my spices, and my air fryer is my best friend. Below here I have my refrigerator, and in the back is my 7-gallon water jug, and then I use a 2-gallon wastewater jug. Let's see, my power is, I am powered through EcoFlow solar generators. I have 3. This is the Delta Mini, which does all my cooking. It helps I can use my air fryer, I can use my convection oven, we can use my electric skillet. All right, and back here you'll see my bed. Most important thing to me was to have a comfortable bed. I have a 6-inch Tempur-Pedic mattress with a 4-inch topper that is a cooling topper, and of course I love pillows and I love purple, and so that's what I went with. This is my closet. My closet was made from IKEA shoe boxes, and I have enough clothes for 14 days. This is my newest addition. We built the couch, and with the couch I have extra storage above there, so you see a lot down there. Next up is my TV, and it's a DVD TV player. So on top of my bus I have 3 100-watt panels of solar, and those are fed into my EcoFlow Delta Mini. And of course, for cooling, everybody wants to know about cooling, I use just a portable air conditioner, and I normally use it when I'm hooked up to either my generator or my or shore power. And then the question everybody wants to know, how do you use the toilet? And my toilet is right behind you. My toilet is concealed in this nice box.
It's just like the last bus I was on.
And I use this as another place to sit, or to sit things when I am traveling. I've been in my bus for about a year now.
Very nice.
Oh, and then I do have
yes.
I do have a max air fan.
Yep. Yeah, I've got a couple. Just I've got a big bus.
Yes.
I want the air moving. So. And
what I do, since I don't have electric wired through the bus yet, I use an EcoFlow Mini to EcoFlow River Pro to plug it into and go from there.
Yep. Oh, very nice.
Thank you. I love it.
And
she's home.
Do you have any social media presence?
I am on Instagram, and on Instagram I am Sallylouthebus. It's SALLYLOU the bus, all one word. You'll see a purple bus on there, and that's me.
All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you very much.